What up, tube? Good morning and welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Channel Daily Vlogs. We are a resource for barbers and barbershop owners. Any questions you guys have, any concerns, anything you guys want me to do a video on or talk about, all you guys gotta do is drop that comment right there, guys. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help out, to inspire, and to motivate. Yes, guys, I did say that. Inspire and motivate, or educate and motivate. You know, that's what that's what this channel is for, guys. That's what I'm here for. I'm a resource to you. You know, just like there's people out there that are resources to me. Even you're a resource to me, because your knowledge and the yearning of your knowledge that you want to learn about this industry motivates me. So I motivate you and you motivate me. And guys, let me explain something. If you guys want to be successful in the barber business, you have to be motivated. You have to be hungry. You have to be hungry for success. You got to be up early every single day. On your days off, you're up early. There's no sleeping in when you're hungry. You got to get up every single day to go out and make money. You know, I'm thinking of ways to make money on my days off, guys. That's the mindset that you have to get yourself in, so that, you know what, you'll wake up hungry and wanting to go out there and earn some money and make some money, and you know, and guys, it's not just about haircutting either, guys. It's not just about giving that great haircut. You have to be hungry for success. You know, you have to want it. You have to really, really want it. It has to come from inside. You know, you got to be sick and tired of being broke. You got to be sick and tired of not having anything. You know, those are the kind of individuals that I want working for me. I want people that are hungry to get up every day and go make money. You know, the desire that I have. You know, that the intensity that I have. That's what I'm looking for. So today is Monday, my Monday, of course, but really in reality it's Thursday. But it's I call it my Monday because it's my start of my work week. This week is gonna be Memorial Weekend, so guess what, guys? Weekends bring barbecues, and barbecues bring out the people, and guess what? People want to look good. So this weekend is gonna be extremely busy, guys. I can't stress it enough. Get your ass up. Motivate yourself to be successful. If you don't motivate yourself, nobody's gonna do it for you, guys. That's something that has to come from inside of you. All right, guys, I'm gonna head to the shop. We'll talk in a little bit.
The much anticipated summit next month won't happen after all. President Trump wanted North Korea or the cancellation. KCAL9 Senator Mitchell joins us live now from the newsroom with more on today's decision. Sandy?
it for today, guys. It's about 7 p.m. Crazy busy day at the shop today for being a Thursday. It's exactly what we expected. It's a holiday weekend, so you know what? Holiday weekends brings out the best in everybody. Everybody wants to look good. Everybody wants to go for holidays. Everybody wants to be around their family. So everybody wants to look tight. So you know what? It's always busy, guys. I expected a super busy Thursday, and it was a super busy Thursday. There was 5 barbers working today, so it was good, easy day. I mean, I didn't have to overwork myself. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys mañana.